Good morning, ma'am. I am Mark Anthony Hectin and my group mates Alwilmar Trajano, and we are the group 14 and we are going to report the following. First is the Aconite. Aconite Napilus Mongshood or Aconite Venus Chariot or Wolfsbane rather is a species of highly toxic flowering plants in the genus Aconitum of the family Ranunculaceae, native and endemic to Western and Central Europe. It is a herbaceous perennial plant growing to 1 meter tall with hairless stem and leaves. So, ang Aconite or Aconitum napilus is kanang toxic siya nga plant. So, mao ni siya nga plant nasay toxic. Next is the resin. Resin is a lectin and a highly potent toxin produced in the seeds of the castor oil plant, Ricinus communis. The medium lethal dose of resin for mice is around 22 micrograms per kilogram of body weight via intraperitoneal injection. Oral exposure to resin is for less toxic. So, ang kaning resin is makuha nimo siya sa castor bean, sa seed. Toxic yang seed. So, the next is the lead. So, lead is a chemical element. It has symbol Pb and atomic number 82. It is a heavy metal that is denser than most common materials. Lead is a soft and malleable and also has a relatively low melting point. When freezing cut, lead is a shiny gray with a hint of blue. It tarnishes to a dull gray color when exposed to air. So, ang lead or kung sa Bisaya pa tingga. So, example sa lead is kanang mga bala. Mo na siya, tingga na siya. Kung mainitan siya is kanang malanay siya kung painiton siya maayo. Pwede siya nimo ma-reshape. So, next is the drug abuse. According to Dr. Ananya Mandal, MD, drug abuse or substance abuse refers to the use of certain chemicals for the purposes of creating pleasurable effects on the brain. There are over 190 million drug users around the world, and the problem has been increasing at alarming rates, especially among young adults under the age of 30. Apart from the long-term damage to the body, drug abuse causes drug addicts who use needles are also at risk of contracting HIV and hepatitis B and C infections. So, ang drug abuse is common na yung kini siya daghan ng nangadaot ani, especially diri sa Pilipinas. Kanang i-over ang pag-contain sa isa ka drug, so mag-result siya og nauban mabuang kaning wala na panimuot ba, so ingana dapat dili siya nimo i-abuse. Pero mas nindot gyud og dili gyud ka mo sulay ana para once manggod nga makasulay ka sa mga ana imong lawas magpangita ba mo nang ma-addict na ka. So mangita na kag paagi para makapalit nga na mangawat ba ka or mangingana. So next is the stimulants. So stimulants are a class of drugs that speed up messages traveling between the brain and body. They can make a person feel more awake, alert, confident, or energetic. Stimulants include caffeine, nicotine, amphetamines, and cocaine. Large doses can cause overstimulation resulting in anxiety, panic, seizures, headaches, stomach cramps, aggression, and paranoia. Long-term use of strong stimulants can have adverse effect. So, stimulants is a type of chemical that kanang mas mapapaspas ang paggana sa imong utok or kaning mas kung sa uban pa is especially sa kaning di man malikyan nga naam gid silingan nga musulti-sulti about anang drug. So ana sila nga ang effect daw sa drug is dugay daw ka maluya, tas energetic ka ba, di ka katulog, may ngana. So what those stimulants look like? Stimulants can be in the form of tablet. So, ang stimulants pwede siya naa siya sa tablet, sa capsule. Pwede pa siya makakuan sa powder, small chunky clear crystal, or a white or brownish crystal like powder with a strong smell and bitter taste. So, mahara to ma'am. Salamat.
So, good morning everyone. I am the next reporter. So, what is cocaine? Cocaine is highly addictive drugs that ups your level of alertness and attention. Every may hear called stimulants illegal in the US. Other means for include it comes in a few different forms. The most common is fine white powder. It can also be made into a solid rock crystal. Cocaine is made from the leaves of the coca plant. It called in the powder form as well solid chunks. Cocaine plant, the drug is made from the leaves of the coca plant, which grows almost nowhere other than the northern and western region of coca plant, which grows almost nowhere other than the northern and western region of South America. People there have chewed and eaten coca leaves for thousands of years to help them to stay alert and lessen to their appetites. How is cocaine made? To make cocaine, the leaves are chemically processed and treated to form a powder. A German chemist named Albert Neumann first isolated the drug from coca leaves in 1860. In the early 90s, cocaine was common ingredient in herbal remedies for all sorts of illness. Surgeons used it to block pain before local anesthetics were available. In the 1970s, it became a popular recreational drug. It's mostly produced in remote jungle. So next, ecstasy. Ecstasy is a synthetic drug name. It's made of lab-made chemicals that increase level of energy, happiness, and empathetic feelings toward others. But it also causes negative effects from muscle cramps to depression to heart failure. In high doses, it can cause death. Its chemical name is 3,4-methylene methamphetamine or MDMA. In its pure form, ecstasy is a crystalline powder and is commonly taken by mouth as a capsule. So, what is ecstasy? It was first made by a German scientist in 1912, but it wasn't until the 1970s that it became widely available on the streets. It can be used by people to increase a feeling of alertness and experience longer periods of happiness and also enhance emotional and sexual relationships. So next is methamphetamine. What is methamphetamine? It is a stimulant that speeds up body system that comes or pill or powder. Available prescription as dictionary to treat obesity and ADHD. Crystal meth resembles glass fragments and illegally altered version of the prescription drug that is cooked with over-the-counter drugs in the men's lab. So basically the street title is Bato Bikers, Coffee, Black Beauties, Chalk, Chicken Feed, Crack, Crystal Glass, Go Fast, Hirupon, Ice, Mint, Metals, Quick Pour, Mans, Cocaine, Shabu, Shards, Speed, Stove, etc. How is it used? Powder pill smoke, snorted, injected to intensify the effects. Users may take higher doses of drugs, take it more frequently, or change their method of intake. How does it affect the body? Highly addictive, agitation, increased heart rate and blood pressures, increased respiration and body temperature, anxiety, paranoia. High doses can cause convulsions, cardiovascular collapse, stroke, or death. What are its overdose effects? High doses may result in deaths from stroke, heart attack, or multiple organs problems. So what is hallucinogens? This is types of hallucinogens: LSD, mescaline, psilocybin, cannabis, ecstasy, ketamine, salvia, and others. The terms hallucinogens refers to many different drugs which are often called psychedelic drugs. While the effects of these drugs vary widely, all change the way people see, hear, taste, smell, or feel, and after mood and thought, and at high doses, all may cause a person to hallucinate or see, hear, or feel things that aren't really there. Most of the hallucinogens used in North America belong to one these 6 categories. So, where does it come from? Some hallucinogens come from mushrooms, psilocybin, cacti, mescaline, and other plants. Cannabis, salvia. Of this, cannabis and psilocybin are almost always used in their natural form. Although LSD use only a synthesized form of related drugs. LSA is found in nature. Other hallucinogens such as MDMA and ketamine are created in laboratories. So, who use it? Hallucinogens have been used since ancient times in religion, medicine, magic, and prophecy. In the 1960s and 70s, hallucinogens use became a symbol of counterculture among young people in North America and Europe. In the 1990s, hallucinogens use was linked to the rave scene. According to 2007 survey on Ontario students grades of 7 to reported that gagamit ana. Hallucinogens cause mostly proactive or mind-altering effects which can be mild into intense. These effects vary from drug to drug, from person to person, from one drug taking episode to